Anse Soleil Beach in Seychelles is a paradise located on Maui Island, with wild beauty and harmony with nature. With fine sand and clear turquoise sea, Anse Soleil is an ideal place for those who want to enjoy peace and relaxation. Located in the Baie Lazare area, this beach is surrounded by soaring granite mountains, creating a unique and attractive landscape. With this location, Anse Soleil is protected from large waves, creating ideal conditions for diving and relaxing on the beach. The people of Seychelles, including the local community and international visitors, all contribute to the special appeal of Anse Soleil. With warmth and hospitality, local people always welcome visitors with open hearts and enthusiasm. Cultural diversity in Seychelles is also expressed through its rich cuisine and unique folk arts. The professional diving centers at Anse Soleil provide services for both beginners and experienced divers. Visitors can take scuba diving courses to learn diving techniques and knowledge of local marine life, or go on diving trips under the guidance of diving experts. Anse Soleil Beach in Seychelles is not only famous for its pristine beauty of white sand and clear blue water, but also a unique ecosystem with an abundance of animals and coral reefs. These girls are not only beauties with healthy brown skin and attractive figures, but also reflect a spirit of freedom and enjoyment of life. They often wear bikinis that show off their natural beauty, creating a fresh and lively atmosphere on the beach. Don't forget to subscribe to our Wanderling channel so you don't miss any new videos, and share with your friends and family. Let's explore the world together and create unforgettable memories on Wanderling. Here, you will experience colorful and rich journeys, from natural beauty to unique cultures around the world.